Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a Volkswagen Tiguan first generation, I'm talking year 2007 to year 2017, guys, and you're trying to actually find the fuse for your voltage converter, guys. Stay with us. We'll explain, guys, where it's located, how to remove it, how to replace it, and how to know if the fuse is burnt or not. Something very important that some of you may think you know, but guys, okay, it can surprise you. So we'll explain about that as we go. If you need to buy new fuses, parts, relays, tools, guys, for your Volkswagen Tiguan, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from, guys, for a really good price. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop here, guys, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on Volkswagen Tiguan, I think we'll have even more. And why we do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. So the fuse that we need to check, doesn't matter if you have a diesel gasoline engine, guys, the fuse will be the same. You need to open your hood. Okay, let me show you, okay, what to look for now. A little bit dirty here, but you get the idea, guys. Right here is your fuse box next to the car battery, usually, guys. In order to open that thing, go forward, okay, like that. After that, you need to lift it up and get that, you can see that cover out. You don't have fuse numbers or writings or anything that tells you what the fuses are for. So what do we need to check now, guys? Okay, now the fuses, let me explain, guys. The numbers, you have to be very careful. For the small fuses, the numbers are located on the bottom side of the fuses, okay, facing this way. So you have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then you go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, you can see they go this way. Then the big fuses, you have numbers 25, 26, and then you have 27, 8, 9, and 30, guys, right here. But many of you guys, okay, will pull a fuse and you will see, okay, let's see this fuse right here. You will look at the fuse and you will not know if the fuse is good or bad. Some of you will think it's good, but maybe bad, and you will keep putting new parts on your car when you don't need to do that. So test it, guys. We made a special video that explains how to test the fuse and know 100% sure if a fuse is good or bad, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Please check it out for your convenience, guys, and we're trying to save you here money. So now the fuse, guys, that we need to check will be fuse number 8, guys, for the voltage converter. So this is the fuse. Okay, it could be different amperage depending on what you have, but for our specific model, guys, okay, it's this fuse right here. Now if you have a different one, it may be different year, things may differ a little bit, but for most Tiguan's first generation will be that fuse here. And don't forget, guys, when you're ready to install you install the fuse, make sure that you install the fuse box correctly. Don't push anything, make sure you don't break it as well. So align everything really good, okay, and close it. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.